Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change background color in passport size photo and mobile. And today I'm going to show you how we can do it in InShot application. So make sure that you have downloaded InShot application on your phone. You can download it from Apple Store or Play Store. Then after you have your InShot application downloaded, you can open it. Then you can tap on the photo. Then tap on new to start creating new project. And let's say that this is my passport size photo, so we can tap on the photo, then just wait for a moment. Okay, and here we can change the background color, but before it we're going to remove the background, so we can tap on the cutout option, tap on it, then just wait for a moment. Okay, just wait guys. Okay, now the background has been removed and we can tap on this check mark button. Then we're going to select a color we would like to apply to our photo. Tap on background, then pick the color. And I'm gonna go with this white color. And we can click on this check mark button after we're done. And then we can adjust the position. Alright, and now it's done, and you can save this photo by clicking on the save button. Then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background color and passport size photo using InShot application on our mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.